gon' change now.
Hello, how are you all? Friends, today we will learn about the amazing portrait blue tone preset filter. So we present you some samples in it. Now you see how this image was before and how it is now. Friends, we hope you will see our video complete. So let's start. First of all, you have to go to the light option. You have to increase its exposure to 0.52. Do well. And then after that you have to increase the contrast to +20. Highlights give you -15. Then friends, we have to increase the shadow to +35. After the shadow you have to do white, 6. After all this you have to reduce the black, 20. You have to go to the color option. And friends, after coming to the color option, you have to do the temperature, 2. To increase vibrance by +20. And increase saturation to 20. Now friends, you have to go to the color saturation option. After coming, you have to go to turquoise color. Now friends, you have to increase the saturation of this color. So almost you have to increase this color to saturation by 91. After that you have to go to blue color. Now friends, we have to increase the saturation of this color to 88. Now friends, you should check whether we have done the correct setting or not. If the correct setting is done, friends, you want to come to the vignette option. Texture you have to increase by 10 and clarity increase you to 20. Details you have to do 60. And now vignette to 48. Midpoint you have to increase to +60. And feather increase to 60. After that we have to reduce roundness to 30. Then guys, highlights to increase 11. And grain amount to 20. Increase size to 40. And roughness to increase to 70. After all this process, check once again, friends. Now go to Sharp option, and increase sharpening to 28. And guys, radius to 1.20. Details increase to 40, friends. I hope you're enjoying this video. Masking to do it 50. Noise reduction you have to increase to 15. And again to increase detail to 60. Contrast to plus 15. And again increase to color noise to 10. And now finally to increase smoothness to 97, friends. After all of this process, check out again, friends. Now guys, then we have to go to Profiles filter option. After coming filter option, we click the artistic filter and reduce saturation to -90. Friends, our image is ready. Now we will copy the settings and see if the other image also applies. Now guys, you can see the setting is successfully applied. So friends, I hope you're enjoying this video, so please subscribe to the channel and enjoy the day.